and welcome back to my channel. I have a new wig review and this is a sponsored video. The sponsors and wig company is Linghang wigs. Linghang you can find on Amazon, and I will leave all the information to the wig and how to purchase in the description. Now let's get in here. Very simple packaging, as you saw. Black plastic bag, comes with a neutral colored wig cap, and it will give you some of the description on the card as to how to take care of the wig and the instructions inside. It's very basic. The wig is, as you can see, has a netting, has a tissue paper inside, very basic packaging. You also can find that it covered with netting. And then we are about to get into what the wig looks like. So let me take off the netting, pop this card off, put it to the side, and here you see the wig. A little shorter than I had expected. The length on the site showed the wig a little more shoulder length bob, but this is definitely a short bob, 14 inches. As you can see, it's a bag and it's really silky, like doll baby hair. I don't have dry shampoo, but I would definitely spray that on so it can dull down the shine a little bit. As you saw from the parting, very simple white scalp, so we're gonna fix that. You have two combs in the front. You have one comb, no combs in the back, just an adjustable strap. Most wigs do have a comb in the back, but this one doesn't. So it's basic construction, as you can see from the, I'm gonna put that pressed powder down the middle of the part. As I mentioned, is very white, so I want it to look more like my scalp. So I'll use some of the pressed powder to fix that. If you have dry shampoo, I would definitely recommend using that if you don't like your wig to look as shiny and as silky. So yeah, that parting is probably, I'd say, 1.5 inches or so in length, and it has a bang. So we're gonna jump in here and put this wig on after I finish with my powder and see how it fits.
That is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do, and it's the smile on your face. And as time goes by, that is what my heart says. That's what my heart says. I wanna be with you always. Always, yeah. You are my world in every
this bob is really cute and it's simple. Quick, fast review. It's silky. It definitely is silky for my taste. It's just silky. It's straight silky. Not light yucky. It's a silky like doll baby texture. It's really soft. I have, being this black hair, I have this black wig cap that I prefer rather than neutral, because with the wefts and it opening up, because it's not really thick, being that it's silky, you don't want to show your scalp or in between if you have braids on. So definitely you want to have a black wig cap. As you saw, they put a neutral cap inside the bag, but that'd be great maybe if you had a blonde hair. If it was a light hair, that would be fine. So yeah, I tried to put it behind the hair. As you see, it may pull. So if you want to wear it behind your hair, you may want to take some of the hair and cut more of the bangs a little further back, if that's what you want, and then you can maybe slick the sideburns if you're gonna constantly wear that style. If not, just leave it alone and wear it over the ear if you so desire, or just one behind one ear. It's totally up to you. You see the air cap construction, so your hair will be cool. It's very lightweight. It's shaky. I may cut this some, because this may aggravate me, so I may cut this off. Yeah, so it can even up. I gotta see. I'll leave it like this for now, but maybe more as the wig gets older. One of the things that it tends to do is start to look better. It starts to look like a light yaki. Once the wig starts to get old and you're wearing it pretty often, it seems to thicken up a little bit and be a little more denser. Sometimes I like wigs when it does that, the silky ones. And then after wearing it for a bit, I'm going to cut this down and just have it like chin effect and not have this, angle look. But it's pretty straight in the back. The bang could be cut if you wanted it to. It's nice on my head. I still have some room, so it's not really too tight. So medium cap construction. I like a wispy bang, so I will keep it like that. You can also maybe try to pull it back a little bit, and that way you can, show more of your brows if you so like. So, basic bob, really cute. This is very inexpensive, only 20 bucks. You can get this in other colors if you want something to throw on and go. You really don't have time to do hair. You just want to go out, quick, nice look, very nice and simple for the spring and the summer. So if you're looking for a cute bob, definitely check this out on Amazon. I will put in the description a direct link to purchase this wig. But like I said, it's only about $19.99. So you can't get wrong for a quick, simple bob. You want to dull down the shine, get some dry shampoo, and that'll do it and give it more of a light yaki effect. Okay? So I hope you like it. Until next time, peace, stay authentically you, and live the life you deserve.